Okay, so I'm just going to start off by giving you a quick tour of the new layout, so you know where things are. So this green dot here that's moving, that's my mouse, so you can see what I'm pointing at. So just to let you know, this is the new home page, which is hopefully going to give more simple access to everything. This is the page that will appear when you start up the computer. At the top here we've got the layouts for him. This is where the alphabet is arranged in the frequency layout, so the letters that most commonly are used when you're writing in English will be most quickly accessed by the switch. This is something we've talked about and that you might want to have a go at getting going with. You've also got your other functions on this page, such as you've got the home key that you can link back to there, more punctuation here, but I've put the apostrophe there that I know was important, and we've got some other quick links on this page, such as sending an email or adding an abbreviation expansion. Both of those are things that I'm going to talk to you about in another video. So we'll just go back to the home page for now. Our other keyboard layout is down here at the bottom so that he can access it most easily with his hand. So obviously got your ABC layout. Just left them as yellow for now because I wasn't sure what colours you wanted. Obviously you can go into those and change them one by one, which you already know how to do now. So again, some of your functions down here, numbers, punctuation and everything. On this one we've got email over here to be accessed, space bar, some emoticons which could be handy if you're writing an email. Just click off that, close the emoticons for a moment. And we've also added a speak button down here, just if that's a bit easier for him to reach rather than having to reach all the way up to the message bar at the top there. Okay, these grey cells, by the way, are word predictions, but I've got that turned off at the moment because it's not been that helpful for him to see those, but obviously you can turn that on if needs be. Okay, so just quickly back to the home page, look what else we've got. So we've got reading an email and sending an email. In settings, we've just got our volume, up, down, reset it or stop speaking. Got some access to some core words here if that's of use, but that would depend on if you could read them or not. Home page. I'll talk to you about these in another video around access, but just to highlight, I've added in some links here to a few games that might be useful for when his children are with him. I know that they've been enjoying the target setting, so you've got a few other things here, like there's Simon Says game, where he could choose
Simon says blow a raspberry.
And obviously I've changed a few of those there to not have the symbols on so that they're easier to read. I've not done them all because you can do that if that is a page that is finding useful. So just remember to do that. Go into your toolbox, choose the setup modify key, choose the one you want, and then if you just want to take the picture off, just choose change picture and no picture, and then press OK, and then that's changed it for you there. Okay, and we'll just go back to the home page now. So you can have an explore of those games if that's something that would be helpful for him.